Hi everyone, I am going to attempt to cut felt with my Cricut. I've read that razor paper, bonding it to the felt will help your machine be able to cut it. So I'm going to try to make a set of baby booties for my daughter, and I have no idea if this is going to work, but let's figure it out. I already pre-cut a sheet, and I read that it says the shiny side, this is shiny, obviously, this is matte. You're going to iron the shiny side to the felt. I might have cut it a bit too small. We'll figure it out. Then you get an iron, and we are going to iron it on. Let's see if this works. Let's see. Oh, it is. It really is bonding to the felt fabric. Okay. Making it stiff. Oh, thank goodness. Let's see. Supposedly, once it's all said and done, this is supposed to peel right off without leaving any residue on the fabric. So let's figure this out, and let's see. Okay, you're gonna be hot. Yes, it's stiff like paper. Okay, good. So let's try it on our Cricut. So I got me, actually just cut it, a bonded fabric blade, and let's open this up. Okay, so I went to Cricut Design Space, and here I have my template for the baby booty. I've sized it to 4.5 inches long. My babe's just about to be 6 months, so let's try with this one and let's see how it works. Okay. Fail. No. Wow, that was a bust. Okay, so here we go. Totally butchered my project. But you know what? You can't exactly say that it's the Cricut's fault entirely or the fabric, because I didn't use the fabric paper. I don't have any. But honest to God, even if it didn't pull up from here, it kind of just started going south right from the get-go. And here it's just a hot mess. So I don't know. Let's see. Let's peel this off. All right. All right. Oh, so sad. Let's see. Let's see how bad it is. Let's peel. See, it didn't even cut all the way through. And the settings were correct for bonded fabric. You know, obviously I did the little bootleg route, but so I can keep on snipping here. And on this side, yeah, check it out. Didn't cut through a lot of the areas. So womp womp. Didn't work for me. I'm not going to give up though. I'm going to order a proper fabric grip mat. And I don't know. Maybe I just needed to turn up the heat a little bit more. We will try again. We will try one more time. All right, you guys. Well, that was it. Bye.